In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone. FaceTime notifications can be useful, but they can also be distracting when you're trying to focus or relax. By following a few simple steps, you can quickly disable these notifications. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called FaceTime. Tap on it. After that, tap Notifications. To turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.